Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Jaja City. Bless up the people, big up for the cell, man. I don't know the thing going, I don't know, so they attacking boss there, man. So, boy, you're telling the viewers and subscribers right about now. Only just Caesar knows, yeah, man. Me say, I hear things, you know. And me don't know why them things always find the attacking boss so much. See, I don't know my people. But it is based now where another video was sent to me now, people. And this time, this one is a shocker. Because I can't really believe this one, people. See? I see Squaddy video. See? I see Stammer video. I see this one with them call now Ambulance Man video, right? And you see me do this something yesterday when I talk about them 3 videos there, right? Now, people, another one sent to me now. But as me tell you, this one is a real shocker. Because me can't believe this one now. You know, me know it feel a way when me can't share it and think people love to see it right now, and that's why, you know. But that's what me say now before me. This one a shocker, people, because when I look at me see this one now, first me see one locks go round, so one. So when we look, people, me see so here, yeah, so grey here, you know, like fox, like lion. See? When me look now, and me see one down in it, does it lax, me see the round sitting ground, so, you know. Then me see it come up, so. People, only just Caesar knows. Big old Rasta, man. Me ain't gonna say Rasta, sorry Rastas. Me ain't even want to say dread. But big old dirty natty ticky. Or natty ticky. Head down in there. You know, like when cat a lick milk. Or eat cheese. I saw the natty ticky down in it, people. Honestly. Yo. We say we can't believe the viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. We say natty ticky face down in there. Eating. And the thing is, you know. It's like this, man. I don't know. But, you know, like, honestly. You can't say Squaddy are real pro. See? You can't say Ambulance Man, yeah, in love with what I do. You can't say now Stammer, boy, basically Stammer, no, Stammer trying thing. But Natty Picky now, definitely like I fussy ever do it. Because, boy, but it's a shocker, people. Me say Natty Picky did and like I look at me, I say no. When me, on the time, you know, the roof, you know, people. You know, you want let you look at Sanitex in the old zinc. Someone know when the heat pitch up in that and Natty Picky did it. Boy, only just Caesar he knows, but differently still. This woman catch Natty Picky off guard. This I wanna in a no same video, people, because I can't say all the things set like that when he had done there, the whole certain we are Natty Picky did it. Yo, Natty Picky and easy, you know, man. Boy, you eat done this so. And Natty Picky me know say when you go man, anybody live at that area they must mash up and dash everything. Chop up all the potty plate, everything Natty Picky. All of them the fork and spoon there. Because me know say you know Natty Picky should be a man. You understand? Because it's not like him look like one of them sitting there. He look like an elderly part. Truthfully, he look like one of the elderly Rasta man, the people. One of the elderly one there. You know look like one of them look one day we have tried, you understand? He look like one of the elderly Rasta one. The one we could have did there and knock up the Congo jump them. One we could have did there and fling on in turban more while one could have did there and have on him cheering them on in him go on and carry on the message and preach it. That's how the man look. Natty Picky no look like. So it's a shocker. When Natty Picky really eat this so? You Natty Picky? Where you? The man are eating up. Me said this man is eating, people. Me not going to even say eat. This man is licking. He's licking. Why? Jamaica turn up now with this thing and our people. Me no know, like as me telling you before, people, it seem like so yo, we are gonna see a lot of this now because it's at them I talk I told you know. Zin, France squaddy thing job. But remember, you know, squaddy thing job. Squaddy is a pro to this. Squaddy know how to do him thing. See? Who know what try? So who know they know when you're squaddy league. So when you squaddy get them offer, they fi go get big offer, fi go top club in Jamaica. When you hear squaddy get big offer, fi go overseas, go star in a poor movie. When you hear squaddy get big offer, fi get the green card offer because woman ready fi put her under ring the pan squaddy. You understand? Squaddy thing is totally different. Because squaddy, you know, squaddy now just eat breakfast. So when squaddy do everything, Maggie all in one. Zin? So within 8 minutes or 5 minutes a span, squaddy eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, everything and drink tea in a one and go so after. Zin? And squaddy drink everything in a left nothing. So squaddy thing is really different. But as me say, natty picky. How your head reach this so? How for your head, where your head do this so? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Not the picky, you get the attack, man. Me no business not the picky. Me lose half of you not the picky. Attack for you. You should never do it. See? You should never do it because you is one that play the people follow. You is one who say you are the leader. You is one that comes to boom and knock up the Congo to me bum 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 bum. So why that? Why that not the picky? Why that? Why? Me say viewers and subscribers the thing turn up now. Me just sit every day, you know. And me just because them a send to me. And when they send to me people, me a go talk about them. Of course, me a go talk. So if people want to comment and they want to say NEWLINK, I'm going to say me I can't highlight nothing. Because number one, if me come, me talk about this, you still a go hear negative. Me talk about that, you still a go hear negative. Because everything what me do, you have people who find problem with it. So what me have to do, me just have to do what me feel like do. You understand and talk about what me feel like talk about. See, at least me not go talk about the body and say, yo, take that and go do that and go master works. No, me not talk about that. But what? Me have to make my thing and make, you know what I mean, the thing rotate. Me can't make my thing boring, you know. Me have to know how to do my thing. Yeah. So when I want to see people, I know a lot of people are going to link up now. NEWLINK, I want to see not the picky video. You see it? Because a lot of people, I'm telling you, say, me go, boom, DM me, and we get the video, that the video with ambulance man and the video with stammer. Yes. Me go go on, but now if you understand. It take time, you know, people. Me have to get that little extra time though, me can come so one just start saying that. You remember, you know, attacking boss have to rest too, you know. Attacking boss have to sleep too, you know. Plus remember, you know, when doing these videos, you know, people, we do the video them, you know, people. We have to research what's in the people. Then also we have to edit in the people. Then we have to spend time for create thumbnail in the people. Then also we have to upload in the people. You feel so then easy. You know, take 1 second, people, you know, take 5 minutes, not take 10 minutes. So you don't know, so the thing take time. And we have to work. Remember, you know, this is how I live. This is how I survive. And I appreciate the fact. I appreciate the strength. I appreciate everything. So what me I say, man, let the people now ask the video them. Zane, me not force nobody. But look at, you can't contribute something to, you know. Oh, you mean, there's people that contribute to so much channel out there. Me see it. But because I don't have cash up. But me have a PayPal. Who can give a contribution to the PayPal? Come on, give us support for the hard work we are doing. Yes, we know now watch it ads them, of course. You know what I mean? But at least you sit and wait for your month for you understand? But come on, man. Give the attacking boss something, man. Link up, man. Support the man, man. Oh, me spend the time. What do you spend over 2 hours? Sit down and just send video, squaddy video. Yeah, of course, me send it. How much people in the DM? You know, easy if you go into the DM and dim, cut and paste, dim. And I like me can come to and just tag and send to every. No, it don't work like that. I one me have to do it, people. You know what I mean? So support the thing, man. See the PayPal link there, man. Support the thing, man. Support the attacking. Hey, yeah, of course. Big up on yourself, people. More love, more respect. And remember, if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Remember, people, check out the merch and get the NEWLINK wear. You understand? We have the hoodie them, we have the shirt them nice one. And we have a lot of different design. We have the coffee cups, we have the phone cases, man. So just check below in the description, people, and please support the thing. You understand? Because, yo, phone support I do it, you know. And more love, man, and more respect. Remember, fully attack. Big up on yourself every time. Rastaman, you should do it. Oh no, dread, no, not tip on top. Oh, not picky. Oh, peace out.